Hello YouTube, it's me again, Amy, and today I'll be playing Don't Touch the Button today, and hopefully it goes well with me. Well, that proves it won't, and that also proves it won't. Anyways, so today I'm playing Don't Touch the Button. I just bought this cool new Game Pass. It's the Cloud Game Pass, so you can go ahead and fly and go into high buildings to escape the person with a sword. And I'm gonna start changing my Roblox avatar daily, especially now that I'm a YouTuber. And thank you for all my subscribers. But if you haven't already, please subscribe. Most of my subscribers are coming from Highland Manager point of view, so I'm gonna start doing those more at Highland. This one should come out as a premiere. If it doesn't, please tell me. I'm gonna come down here. Ooh, man, that was close. Avoid the boulders. Okay, should I just come over here? Cause boom, nothing can happen. But I'm just gonna fight again to make it interesting. Oopsies. Someone had an instinct. These look like giant meatballs. Or giant balls. I don't know which one's better. Hey, I think I pressed the button, didn't I? Eek, 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 eek. Oh man. At least that was eek. Oh, poor guys. Oh, if this turns red, oh, bye dude. Dude, what's he doing? He didn't want to die at all. I'm impressed with bad weather. Someone just get stuck. Oh man. Why did you do this, man? Why? Oh my. You almost close. The lightning is like teaming up on people now. Yeah, it's teaming up. It's on his team. It won't get mad. Okay, great. Green button, move. I can't hit it with your foot on here. Thank you. Yay, hi me. Hi me. I'm gonna... Oh, I survived that one. Is the button right here? I think it is. Get to the top. Okay. Why exactly will anything come to hurt me? How is there already a winner? Oh, I already won. Okay. Okay, hurry up, button. I'm ready to push you. I really have to go do some stuff right now. Huh? Whoops. Did I do that? Okay. Again, dodge the lasers. Oh, wait, I'm coming. This is it. Yeah, I was right. No, my elbow. It's like one of those things. You. Oh, catch you on fire, not me. Why did it have to be me as a bomb? Of all people, why not me? I wish I was the chosen one for once. Where's the boulders? Okay, giant poop ball. Someone had an oopsie. Another someone had an oopsie. Heck, that's weird. Have an oopsie, have an oopsie, have an oopsie. Bye-bye. Oh no. He has a weird username. HTD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh no. He fell off. Yay, I win. Watch out. Eek. Oh, man, I was not expecting that. At all. Exactly. Am I trying to get to the other side? Yes. Yay. And let me come and press the button. I don't know. Okay, maybe the button has, a good chance of surviving.
Shove it.
Oh, I can press it here on there. Where are we? In the middle of nowhere. That's where we are. Okay, I'm just gonna follow them. Okay, yeah, Tinker. Lead the way.
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana next to a banana.
Who made me your banana? It was you, eh? I'll get you for that. Who made me small? It was you, eh? I'll make you regret that. If I can even pull myself up. Bad weather. I can't move very fast. Get on the button. Yeah. Yay, my cloud saved the day. First tiny thing to make it. Hello. I look so adorable like this. So tiny. Eek! No. I'm about to get crushed by that. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I'm back to normal. Okay, great. Why is she so tiny? Did I get big? Or eek, my body parts went everywhere. Disgusting. Jump over to coming with. That didn't go well. I'm gonna pretend that I'm playing. Okay, great. The button's coming down, and survive or will you not survive? Okay, so my music broke for the videos because the apps I use, example Spotify, won't work, and YouTube, they both have ads, and even buying premium, it still won't work out, so I'm just gonna start talking or there will be no music at all in my videos. Alright, I'm gonna reach the end, which seems pretty simple until you start going fast. Oh man, you can Okay, so I'm doing good. Just try. Because if I still do bad, I can just give myself a pat on the back for buying the cloud. Yay! Oh no. I'm gonna try to jump over that. Okay. I'm a dino! It's like one of those bad Halloween costumes. Bad weather. Every time, like, certain festival, I feel like it's always bad weather. Like it's moving on me. And it's under button. Lesson learned. Well, under button. Yeah, don't get. Amazing weather for everyone in the button. Ooh. To everyone. Okay, dude, just move. Move, dude. Ooh, dino. Okay, just move. That's why you should move. Whoa, what? Why are we so... Why is he so small? Why does he not... Oh, now I know. I'm like his dad. Go to the color zone. Brown. Yay! You died. Red. Yay! I'm at red. Whoops. Ooh, yay! I'm gonna survive. I'm pushing out. Oh, man. Is that what color is that? Brown? Red for a second. Okay, yellow. That's not brown. Yellow, of course. Yay. Watch out for what snowballs. Oh man, snowballs. It's snowing. Yay. Eat. I do not like it when people get disease. Wow, I'm like the tallest one in the server. This looks like one of the chosen ones. I don't think I'm going to be chosen. Go to the sign. It's like speedrun, right? Yeah, basically it's another version of speedrun. But since I'm so big, every time I jump on one, I gotta go slower. Like, how is he already finished? He must have a cloud too. But luckily, it's so small compared to winners, EJ Cool. Okay, it just tells me your name is EJ. I crossed it. Yay, I'm done. And I'm a giant. Hello, EJ Cool. Get to the other side. Yay, I made it. Ew, what? What? Ew, the button. Bet it is. So, I just come up here and I stay down, I guess, forever. That is a bad idea. Ooh, I'm surprised they're supposed to survive that button. Okay, so does she have an animation out right there? Because look like she's moving. I'm gonna say something about myself. Oh, yay! Watch out for what? What? I literally jumped on those potatoes and I like being tall. Okay. Okay, just get off with your little animation. I'm surprised no one uses the bubble animation. She's the only one I see with it. Careful. Okay. Can you stay here so you know? This. Okay, so he's a hacker. He's definitely yes, teddy bear. So good. Stop doing not cool. I was gonna land on the map and be like, giant animal.
Knowledge. Knowledge. Knowledge.
Will they blow
Knowledge. Knowledge.
Oh, they didn't blow up. Watch out. Eek, she got a bomb. Ooh, she blew him up too. That's just weird, straight up weird. Yay button. Reach the top of what? Ooh, super jump powers. But I have a minute to cloud. Okay, so right now I have like amazing jump power. I guess since what I did the last round, and then now I'm a giant. So I guess is that why I have good jump power? Because I think I just won. So reach the top. I'm just gonna wait here for a while and maybe see if I got the floss and just do a bit of dancing. Make sure to subscribe. Oh no, I fell. But still, make sure to subscribe. You can find a lucky code to survive. Go on. Hey, no, that was mine. Okay, I rage quit. Make sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye.